How to share stories from another person into your Instagram stories. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how we can do this easily. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to go into your Instagram, and here you have to go into your story section. Now as you can see that here is the story in which no one mentioned me. So if you go back and go into the story, and as you can see that here is the option of the add to your story. So you just have to click on it. Now basically if another person tag you into their story, you are able to add this story into your story, and if no one mention you, so you are not able to do this. So you just have to go in the add to your story, and here you can add the music, go in the text, and you can also add the sticker, gif, mention, templates, and anything as you want. So basically it is only possible if you are tagged in another person's story. So you are able to share stories from another person into your Instagram stories. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.